Hi, I am PixelPia. Today, I will take you through the steps to sign up for and start your first shop on Zazzle.com. But before we get into that, let me remind you, if you have already followed my past series about Redbubble and are creating for Redbubble, don't forget about that. You can use many of the things you create on both websites, both on Redbubble and on Zazzle. But today, as I said, we are going to start by looking at Zazzle.com. So let's move over to my computer. So here we are at Zazzle.com. I have clicked the little sign in button here, but we need to register. So up here at the top, I click register. I need to put in an email address and create a password. And if I want information from Zazzle, I keep this marked. I recommend that you read their privacy policy, privacy notice here. But since I already have done all that, I don't need. I can also choose to continue with Facebook, Google, or my Apple account. So next, click create new account. I am logged in. Please take a moment to tell us about yourself. So here we just fill in name and click OK. This is how Zazzle looks when we first log in. We have gifts, suggested gifts, what is trending. They have different creators here. Sell, if you want to start selling. My stuff, start a design, collaborations, likes, and so forth. Live, this is where you can book a expert designer session. You have to pay for it, but it's available if you are interested. And explore is just exploring different parts of Zazzle. And create, we will come back to creating later on. Up here, we have notification. We have messages if we need to chat with them. We have our account. Here we have my account, my orders, saved designs, my images, likes, collections, address book, followed creations. And if I move myself a little bit, sign up. What you should know is that you can't delete this account just by click a button somewhere. You have to contact Zazzle and ask them to delete the account. But let's go to my account. Here we have my account, and this is for your members account on Zazzle. We have the design center and we have sell on Zazzle. When you create the store, which you do over here, that will have its own name and all the information. And it works exactly the same way as your members account. So let's start by going to my profile. Here you can upload a banner and a photo of yourself. And then you can write a little bit about yourself by clicking here and edit your profile. And this works exactly the same way for your personal account as it does for your store account. We are going to go create a store. And as you see, I can't continue until I got my email confirmed. So we're going to pause here for a second while I go in and check my email. So here we are back again. I have checked my email, which included a link I had to click on, and my email was confirmed. So now we go to create a store. Unlike Redbubble, you can change your store name later on. So let's just call this Teas by PixelPia. And I am not a robot. Create store. And here you see it looks exactly as my primary account. Home is where I get some information, but we have to start in setting. I think PixelPia. I think I can change that name. And if I have a tagline, a little bit about the store and store ban and the size of the store banner. I can upload an image here. The size of your banner should be 20 to 80 pixels by 380 pixels, which this is. So now I have uploaded it. I chose it. As you can see, I can't use the whole size. So I don't know why they said 20 to 80 by 380. 380 is correct, but I can't make this any bigger than this size. So when you create your banner, make sure your essential information is just in the middle here. To move myself a little bit again and click OK. So here we have my banner. If I have a website, I can connect it here. And here you see it has added teas and my name already. I can add some more tags here. I think I can have 5 tags for my store. I can put my location and my country. I just put my country for now and submit, and it says start designing products, but I'm not gonna do that right. So here you see it changed. I can view how it looks for a customer. I really should change my avatar here as well. If you look here, I could change it without the underscore in my name here, but if you look up here to find my store, it has the underscore between teas and buy and between buy and pixel. And here is my creator name, and people can send me a message here. Let's go back to the settings again. Store information, we just looked at. We can use media. We can put up photos and videos that will show up on our front page of our store here. We can add all our social network accounts. We can set up what notification we want. Under advanced settings, we can choose what shows up on our front page. Show category titles in grid and show categories in product tab. If you have many designs, you can migrate them between different stores by enable transfer here, tracking and analytics. You can add your Google Analytics and do not allow my products to be sold on other websites, or you can cancel and submit. And then at the bottom, you have my account. And then we are back at the regular profile account that you signed up with, your members account. I can go into stores here, and here I have my store. I can also open a new store. And this is one of the things that speaks to me with Zazzle. I can have very specified stores, several stores under one account. But for now, we have only this one that we will work with. This is exactly how you set up your very first store. Store completion here. This is percentage for everything you do. Profile, your profile photo and name. I haven't added my profile photo, but if I upload the photo here and use that for my profile photo, now I have 10% here store completion. And then you have other things you can do. Fill out your story, create products, and so forth. You have some quick links here. Create the product, Zazzle community, Zazzle ideas, and a help. If I change back to my main account here, go to my account, you see under account settings here, I can, under earnings, you have payment settings. And if you are selling, this is very important. This is where you set up how you want to be paid. with PayPal and you have to enter the email and connect your account, or by check. You have to fill out all this payee information, your uh, legal name, address, where you live, tax information, of course, legal name, social security, or EIN number if you have a company, and your currency. So this is very important if you plan on selling, that you remember. When all of that is done, the next step is to start creating. And that's where we will go next week. Well, I hope that inspired you to follow along with me on this journey to create and sell print on demand products on Zazzle. In my next video, I will show you how we can upload our very first product on Zazzle. So if you want to follow along, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell with all notifications shows. Until next time, bye.